In order to sign into YouTube on an iPhone device, go ahead and open up the YouTube app like you normally would. Then go to the bottom menu and select on the option that says You. Then go ahead and press on this option that says Sign In. It is then going to give you this message. Go ahead and press on Continue. Alright, now afterwards, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and sign into YouTube with a Google account. So essentially, we are able to log in using a pre-existing Gmail account. So go ahead and press on Add Email just like so. Then go ahead and enter in your email address that you want to go ahead and use. And guys, if you never made an email address before, do not worry, there is an option over here that says create account. So you can go ahead and create an account entirely from scratch if you don't have a Gmail account already. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email really quickly. So I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on next. Once you're done with that, it is then going to ask you for your password. So go ahead and enter it in. Alright, once you enter in your password, you can go ahead and select on save password or never for this website or not now. It is 100% up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and select on save password. And sometimes depending on what email you have, you may need to check your inbox. For example, we have to check our inbox over here. It is going to send a verification code. This is just to make sure that it is actually us who is signing in. So please go ahead and open up the Gmail and go ahead and find the code. Alright, then go ahead and press on next. Once you entered in the code, then it is going to say welcome back, and then go ahead and press on continue. Then it is going to give you the option to add a passkey, but this is entirely up to you. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and skip that process. But then afterwards, it is going to sign you into YouTube. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.